The tour company definitely has exposed me to the different places that I never went before. If I go by myself, I really don't know. Create a unique opportunity for me to know more deeply about the hidden gems of Malacca.
This tour is actually more free-for-all history.
Good for if you are a history lover and you like to explore a place. It's really definitely changed the perception of Malacca. Everything is nice. It looks more interesting to know about this place.
Actually, that was the Sultanate Palace. I passed many times by, but never stood there in front of it and somebody telling me about the history that is involved in that. Yeah, so that was new for me.
I think the mural picture when we enter to Malacca.
The church, I never been inside before. Then when I entered the church, I found that the architecture of the church is so fascinating.
When they show about the cannon with the letters on top, the V for the Dutch VOC company, these little nuances that if I look myself, I might see the letters, I won't know what they mean, and I definitely won't make these connections. Definitely without the tour, you will miss that.
Tour guide was really amazing. He really understands the language. He also answer your questions.
He speaks very clearly, very loudly. Yeah, he did great. Very impressed.
The tour guide are very professional and clearly explain everything. Especially, I'm very fascinated by his deep knowledge about Malacca.
With the other people, I have not met with them before. Very good conversation with them and sharing an experience coming to that, and it's very friendly.
Made someone from Iran and Brazil and Germany and speak a lot to different people.
Our participants are comprised of different nationalities, which make our trip very enjoyable. We can share everything, we can make friends easily. They also very open-minded and also very fascinating about Malacca trip.
The concept is really nice. You do not feel any burden and you feel like it is a friendly walk tour.
Yeah, I think it's a great concept that you can come and you pay at the end what the value you feel that you got. And definitely you're going to feel that you had a good time. I enjoyed the tour and meeting all the people. 3 words, I would say lots of fun.
Chinese-Dutch history.
Fun, pleasant experience.
Fresh, joyful, happy.
Yes, I definitely recommend to my friend the Monster Day tour.
I definitely will recommend the Monster Day tour for other people visiting Malacca. It's well worth the time spent.
I think this will run very well, this tour. And I really recommend it to anybody who doesn't know Malacca. Join that tour.
Monster!